Hello, in this video we're going to install and set up the basics of a WAMP server on our local machine. So the first thing we need to do is go to the website, which is wampserver.com. /en/. That gets us to the UK version or the American version, depending how you spell it. Now we need to click on either download or start using WAMP server, which will take us down to the download section, and you need to install either the 64-bit version or the 32-bit. Most people will be on a 64-bit machine. If you don't know for certain, then right click, not left click, right click, choose system, and if you scroll down it'll tell you your processor, installed RAM and your system type, and you can see I'm 64-bit, so I'll install the 64-bit. So I'll click once on that, and you'll be warned that you need to have Visual Studio 2012. If you're not sure, then the best thing to do is just click on it to install it. And you'll want again to choose whether you're 64-bit or 32. I'm 64. And you can see it's downloading here. So you can see I've got repair uninstall, which means it's already installed on my machine, so I don't need to do any more. So I can cancel that one. So let's go back 2 steps to the WAMP server page and choose 64-bit, and this time download directory. Now it does take you to a SourceForge page, but you don't have to do anything because the download should start straight away. And again, on my Google Chrome browser, there it is. So I'll just pause the video until it's installed. Okay, so the download's finishing. We can just click once to install. So I'm being asked if I want to install this product, and I'll click on yes. And I want the English version. I'll accept the agreement. Next. I prefer it to go to the WAMP, not WAMP64 directory. And install. And again, I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so it has almost finished, but one thing it wants to ask me is which browser I'm going to use with this software. So when I hit on WAMP options, quite often it needs to open a browser to show me the data, and it will default to Internet Explorer, but I expect many people will wish to change that, including myself. So I will choose yes. I now have to go and find my Chrome browser, which is quite easy because it's in C Program Files 86, Google, Chrome, Application, and there it is, Chrome. So if I click Open, that is now being used by default. I'm going to carry on using the editor by default, although you might want to change it to a software editing package if you're using one, but I'm going to leave that as it is. And we may well get a pop-up for Apache access through the Windows firewall. If you do, then click the boxes. I have for public, well, private networks will be enough, but I'm set mine for public as well. We'll be going back to Windows firewall later on. But if you do see the pop-up, accept it. And now it's just saying about launching PHP admin, finish. and we're done.